Coyotes must have gotten food. I repeat, they must have gotten food. You hear them. They must have gotten food. They probably was caught. They got like a rodent or something. They're barking like wildfire. Or else they must have gotten a dog. They got like something. That's all. It's gonna go on until it stops. They were actually very close by. They're probably right there. They're probably a couple streets down. Like probably like over near where like there's like where a couple trees are over. Or they can also be near where like some houses are. Where there's fence, like where there's gate fence kind of. It's the narrow gates. So it could probably be somewhere over there. I know they were probably behind the house. But I know they were somewhere. They were howling out. Like I live in an army base. A testing back to be exact. And there's taps that plays at 10 o'clock at night. So you can sometimes hear the coyotes howling. So there's also a bit of an aftermath of that coyotes howling. You can probably hear them in the distance, but when they got all that riled up in the video, that's because they just probably caught food. Interesting enough. There's stuff about coyotes at 10 o'clock every single night here on this army base. You will hear coyotes howling at taps, which is what goes off at 10 o'clock at night. No, fun. But it does get a little bit. It's very peaceful to hear the howls of the coyotes. Hear them. Yes, we scare you a couple times, but this is kind of peaceful. There's like a lot of wildlife here. There's antelope, there's deer, there's cows, there's rat, there's rovers, there's a lot of stuff. A lot of wildlife. Since there's also farming here, there's cows. You can also sometimes see rabbits. You can sometimes see an alpaca somewhere over on the ranges. You can also see like a lot of fun stuff. It's very peaceful out here. It's quiet. It's secluded. We're in the middle of nowhere. Surrounded by mountains. Peaceful. So that stuff that you just saw was from coyotes. Heard. That was from coyotes. Those sound like those like weird dog sounding things, but those were coyotes. wild coyotes here from that way. No, weird. Afoot. So, yeah. We're gonna end it off for the night. Oh, we'll probably do this video big. Oh, post this video on my YouTube channel, and then, yeah. So, have a nice night, or have a nice morning, or have a nice afternoon, whatever it is for you. So, good night, sleep tight, or good morning, get some breakfast, watch this video. Whichever one, like I said, whichever one. Have a nice day. See you